Hello, welcome to Strategic ERP. So today we'll learn how to make TDS payment in Strategic ERP. So to book TDS payment in Strategic ERP, you need to navigate to a statutory module and open the form TDS payment, and that will come under the payment section. So once you'll click on the TDS payment form, this form will appear open, and then you need to select your company, on which company TDS you are going to pay. Once you select company, then you need to select the project, by which project you are going to pay that TDS amount. Then the date of payment, then the month. You need to select the month for which month TDS you are going to pay. Then year. Once you'll select month and year, the start date and date will populate over here automatically. Then you need to select TDS payment category, whether you are paying 24Q, 26Q or 27Q. So I'm selecting 26Q. So once you'll select 26Q, the whole sections comes under 26Q will appear here, right? That will be automatically selected. Then you need to select type of payment, whether it is payable by the taxpayer or it is regular assessment. So I have selected taxpayer, and as you can see, when I select 26Q, the detail of TDS appeared here. So like we have deducted TDS for the those two invoices, those two vouchers, which are for this client, this PAN number, this is the principal amount, the rate of TDS, and the amount of TDS, and the category of company, whether it was a company or non-company. Then here you once you scroll right, you will see the current paid amount. So if you are going to make payment of whole, then you don't need to change it. If you want to make payment less or more, you can add modify amount accordingly, right? And the system will show you the total of the payable amount and paid amount, right? Then you need to put the pay from project over here, the bank account by which bank you have paid this, the BSR code of your payment, TDS payment. That will you this thing you can get from your TDS challan, the challan check number, the challan SIN number. All of this detail you can get from your challan, the challan serial number, and also you can upload the acknowledgement receipt of payment. So once you'll click on save button, your entry is created on draft state now, and you can use the workflow like the where the authorized person can verify and approve it, and once it is approved, that TDS payment entry is completed in your system. Thank you.